our turkeys are still out on pasture. We've only got a couple more weeks on those. All right, so these are our 3 turkeys that we separated because they've got the leg issues. I want to get weights on these birds. Out of those 3, we've got 1 15-pounder and 2 10-pounders, which, look, it isn't horrible. Good morning, my name is Dustin Alleman. This is Alleman Family Homestead, and our hope for this channel is that you are able to pick up a tip, a tricky gold nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead, hit subscribe below, drop a comment below, give us a like, thumbs up, appreciate y'all. Hey, we've got a new look to the homestead here. This past weekend we moved all of the the majority of our animals into the high tunnel. The caveat to that is obviously the cows. The cows are still out, and our turkeys are still out on pasture. We've only got a couple more weeks on those turkeys, but everyone else is in the high tunnel. We got the chickens. The sun is just in my face. We've got hens, ducks, the goose, the 2 baby piglets are still in there. Chorizo, our boar, and Lucille, the sow, are all in the high tunnel. These kids are in here already, hanging out with them. And I've got scraps and everything else. So we've got one big happy farm in here. It's crazy town in here. Crazy town. Hi chicken. All right, so we've got one big happy family in here. We've got some hungry pigs. We're gonna get them fed. It sounds crazy in here. I'm gonna bring these scraps so these pigs just chill out. It was frozen yesterday.
Because he's angry that I told him not to collect the eggs, and because you said I don't want you to eat anymore.
Alright, this mama pig's still very barky.
And her water is done.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Alright. AZ, hand me this bucket. How many eggs did we get?
I don't know.
We got eggs in here. We do need to wash out this water. That water is really gross. We need to lift the sides. All right, so we are down to the bottom. We went through all of our feed: chicken feed, turkey feed, pig feed. So we just gave them some scraps today. We did not give them enough food. The shipment's coming here in a couple hours. So once that shipment arrives, yeah, the pigs are not happy. They're still hungry. I gave them about a quart of milk, which isn't enough. Again, feed's coming here in a couple hours. I did not feed the mama pig or the daddy pig enough food. We did not feed the chickens enough food, but we gave them enough to sustain over the next couple of hours. Once that feed lands, we've got 2 pallets of feed coming. Once that lands, we'll bring them out and get them fed properly. So one thing I wanted to bring up is it smells amazing in here. The smell, because of what these animals are doing. We've got powerhouse animals in here doing what they do. We've got 4 pigs in here rooting up, and then chickens walking around, pecking, scratching. It smells amazing in here. I wish there was smell vision on this thing. I mean, it smells amazing. It just smells like rich, deep soil. Really good compost in here. So very cool. Again, this is the first time we've done this. where we've had hogs in the high tunnel. So usually it's just the chickens. Usually it's just the birds. So new setup for us this winter. Excited to have it. We're grateful to have it. We're gonna go get these turkeys fed and go get Annabelle milked. Can you do the other side, baby? It's pretty hot. It's gonna be hot today. All right, so these are our 3 turkeys that we separated because they've got the leg issues. We need to get them weighed. Darn it, we were gonna bring that scale out today too. So I might run back and just grab the scale. I wanna get weights on these birds. We also need the staple gun because the other turkeys, this is coming loose. Turkeys are starving. Okay, so we had to ration just the last 2 days, and we're not getting them enough food. So again, what messed us up is the amount of turkeys we had. These turkeys are going through so much feed. I mean, they were just blowing through that king feeder, which we can put like 50 pounds of feed in there. So when that feed shows up here in a couple hours, I will fill that full, and I guarantee you they will eat that by the end of the day. So we only gave them, I think we gave them like 15, 20 pounds, which isn't enough. It's not enough for the day. It is what it is. It'll sustain, but you can see, I mean, they're going crazy. And I don't know if you saw them bust out of the house and bust down the net coming after the feed. They were so hungry. So they're fine. They're not malnourished or anything. It was just the last couple of days we had to ration our feed. I think actually I'm gonna move them. They've destroyed this paddock. They've only been in here for 4 days. 4 days, and they've just destroyed this. So I'm gonna move them real quick. Come on. All right, so we've got a fresh paddock for these turkeys. You can see what they did in 4 or 5 days. I mean, they're devastating. They're getting big. So we're gonna start moving them twice a week. Nat brought the scale out as well. We're gonna weigh some turkeys. She also brought the staple gun out. That mesh on the door was coming loose, so she just stapled all of that as well. Now that they're off this cow fence, I do need to go get an Energizer, so I'm gonna go grab one of those. We've got one over here where the pigs were, yeah, right there, so I'll go grab that, bring it over. All right, Nat's standing on the scale. I'm gonna go grab a turkey. These are the 3 limpy ones, and then we're gonna bring this pallet over to the big ones.
Is that the biggest one? Gotta hold their wings.
Okay, so out of those three, we've got one 15-pounder and two 10-pounders, which, look, it isn't horrible. They're doing fine. They're still walking around. We were just worried we were gonna have to put them down sooner rather than later. They should be fine. We'll keep growing them out over the next couple of weeks. And they'll be good birds. I mean, even if we end up with three 12-pound birds, that's awesome. Okay, we're gonna bring this pallet over to the big birds, see what they're weighing here. Alright, so we're across the board there. We've got 17-pounders, 10-pounders. We still have a couple weeks, so we're fine. We're good. I think those big boy toms, if we can get them up to, I don't know, 25 pounds, that's still a big bird. So we'll be good. All good. I don't know if you saw the drama in the background. That was my fault. I told Evie to feed the dogs, and that was not smart. We need to hook them back up. They're running around. We need to put them on their leash before we feed them. I wasn't thinking. My fault. Those dogs are fighting over food. They're fine. Annabelle, in the meantime, she's been up there waiting patiently for like an hour, and she's over it. Look at her. She's like, I'm done. Been waiting for you forever. I'm leaving. All right, let's go, girl. Come on. Let's go. 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 Let's go. Go. She's sitting up there waiting like a good girl. That was taking way too long. Come on. Come on, girl.
Then I know why. Because then our milk would be soapy.
Mm-hmm.
And gross. The soap is gross.
It's a 18-pound bird.
So,
Ah, perfect. Perfect size.
like one of the trees.
Yep.
Cleaning baseboards.
Yep. Yeah, things like that.
Cleaning.
Oh, let's go. All right. We are going to call it a day today. As always, we appreciate each and every one of you. Our hope for this channel is that you are able to pick up a tip, a trick, a gold nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead, hit subscribe below, drop a comment below, give us a like, thumbs up. Appreciate y'all. We will catch you next time.